To help your BX2380 series tractor operate at its maximum potential, regularly scheduled maintenance is crucial. Chassis lubrication on your machine is easy to do. Precautions regarding personal protection should be followed as described in your operator's manual. Your local Kubota dealer will have the correct parts. To perform this procedure, you will need a grease gun filled with multi-purpose EP2 grease and a can of spray-type all-purpose grease. There are 7 individual grease points on the tractor. The tractor operator's manual points out each grease point. There are additional grease points for your loader and any attachments. We will demonstrate the procedure on just a couple of the tractor grease points. And also keep in mind that if any of the movable parts, such as levers and pedals, do not move smoothly because of rust or sticky material, remove the rust or the sticky material and apply oil or grease on the relevant spot. Do not force the movable parts into motion, otherwise the machine may get damaged. Locate one of the grease zerk fittings, clean it with a rag or towel, then connect the grease gun fitting and apply the correct amount of grease. The operator's manual explains in depth how much grease to add to the various locations. The chassis needs to be lubricated after every 50 hours of use. The loader would need to be lubricated every 10 hours. If you operate the machine in extremely wet and muddy conditions, lubricate the grease fittings more often. Be sure to consult the operator's manual for further information. Thanks for watching. Kubota. Together we do more.